Hello friends, welcome to EduSpire Career Development Private Limited. Today there is a good news for you. IBPS RRB notification have come up. So these are certain information regarding that. Online registration starts from 1st July and it will continue up to 21st July. You can make your payment online in between this period. You can download your call letters from 8th August 2020 and online preliminary exam will held in September, October. Declaration for the results of preliminary will be on October 2020. All these dates are tentatives. You can download the call letters for the main exam in between October, November, and the main exam will take place in October, November only, and declaration of the result will be also for in October, November. Interview will also be conducted in between October and November 2020, and the recruitment will be done by January 2021. Age required for scale 3 is 21 to 40 years, for scale 2 21 to 32 years, for scale 1 18 to 30 years. Office assistant, for this particular post the age requirement is 18 to 28 years. For SC/STs there is a 5 years relaxation, and for OBCs 3 years relaxation. For disabled candidates it's plus 10 years. For ex-serviceman plus 3 years. Who are disabled, those who are disabled, for them ex-serviceman it is plus 8 years. Qualification required is graduate, and proficiency in any local language is required. In the local language is required. Working knowledge of computers is the added qualification required. And for scale 2 officers, experience required 2 years in financial institutes, right? For scale 2 officials, bachelor degree in electronics, communication and computer science or IT. That means engineers can apply for this particular post if they have the certificates for C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. For chartered accountants, if they have 1 year experience, they can apply for the specialist officer post. Or if somebody has a degree in law with 50% score and has a minimum experience as law officer for 2 years, then they can apply for it. Coming to the preliminary exam, it will be of 80 marks and the time duration will be 45 minutes. From reasoning part, 40 questions will be there for 40 marks. From numerical ability, 40 questions will be there for 40 marks, and the total time duration is 45 minutes. Same is the case for officer scale 1, 40 questions from reasoning, 40 from numerical ability, and total marks distribution is also 40-40, total 80, and the time duration is 45 minutes. For office assistant mains, the Hindi is also there. Either you can take English or you can take Hindi as a subject. Along with that, in the mains exam, you have reasoning, 40 questions, 50 marks. Computer knowledge, you have 40 questions, 20 marks. General awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks. Either English or Hindi, 40 questions, 40 marks. And numerical ability, 40 questions, 50 marks. The total duration is 2 hours. Officer scale 1 is more or less same. Absolutely. Next is scale 2. For this, we have reasoning, 40 question, 50 marks. Here, the option is there. You can appear for either in Hindi or English. The medium can be either Hindi or English. Computer knowledge, same, 40 question, 20 marks. You can appear for either in English or Hindi. Financial awareness, here also the medium is flexible. You can have either in English or Hindi, 40 question, 40 marks. You can choose English or Hindi as the subject, 40 question, 40 marks, and numerical ability and DI, 40 question, 50 marks. Coming to specialist officer, here we have professional knowledge, computer knowledge, financial awareness, All these will be 40 marks exam, and number of question will be 40. You can appear for this either in Hindi or English. You can also choose either Hindi or English language. Apart from that, we have computer knowledge and quantitative ability and data interpretation. So the time duration is also 2 hours. Hope you have understood this. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder, and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.